To my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, Beautylish, and they launched the same time as Jeffree Star Cosmetics with the Blue Blood palette. So that's what I got, and a couple other goodies. Thing is that Beautylish, 1, free shipping over $35. 2, you can break up payments over $50. And 3, they always send you a free sample of something. So my free sample, it was wrapped really good. I already opened this. I took pictures just because I didn't know whether I'd be able to frail them or not. But they sent me Bioderma, micellar water. So yeah, I have one of these probably from an order from or something else. Anyway, got another one. So it's not the greatest ever, but it's decent. So it's not horrible either, but it was all packaged really well. And of course they have their Jeffree Star tattoo paper, and everything is like covered in his tattoos. It's really cool. So this is wrapped up really good. Blue Blood palette, sister to the Blood Sugar, which you know I love Blood Sugar. I always said it made my eyes bleed, you know what I'm talking. But I mean that like you get to paint your eyes red basically, like blood. So I'm like, I don't know what to call this one, like make my eyes freeze, make my eyes popsicle, something like that. Cool. And this is what it looks like. This is not the same material as Blood Sugar. Blood Sugar was like really nice, kind of like vegan leather, and it felt like an actual trunk you would open. This is actually just the cardboard. It's shiny, it's pretty, it's embossed, but this is a real like middle little plastic moment. I think it's plastic, so we don't see too much there. There we go. This is what the palette looks like. Look at all those gorgeous colors. And I just really want to play and do like maybe a really cool look if I can really quickly. This might be the only time I get to play because Boo's unpredictable. If you haven't seen my most recent video where I talk just this weekend, he seemed to be okay today, but that might change as soon as I step out of this room. He seemed much less bushy today and a little bit back to his normal self. But if you didn't watch my Get Ready, and the Get Ready with me was filmed this past Saturday, and he was still edgy from yesterday. Today seemed better, but I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know how often I can film because it seems like little things can set him off. And if I'm making noise in here, or if I'm gone out of sight and then suddenly right up here, oh my gosh, that's the key to being attacked. Like, I don't leave a room without announcing, hey, I'm leaving a room, hey, where are you at? And a lot of times singing something going down the hallway, and I'm like, you know, I'm tired of having to like announce my presence so I don't get viciously attacked by my cat. And it's not like, oh, the cat scratched. No, it's not that. It's not. It's if you've ever heard that 911 call about a family being trapped in their bathroom by the cat. Yeah, I've experienced that. And it's only cat. So we're at the point where I think Prozac is needed, because up through yesterday he just jumps at any noise whatsoever, and I live in an apartment. There's going to be noise next stairs and out next door and out on my stores, and he was fine for a couple of years, you know, fine. I mean, he's 5, but now you don't know what's going to make him flip his tail, and you don't want to be standing up when he starts fluffing his tail. So, or at least I don't. So the thing I got was the Equality mini lipsticks. I'm absolutely attracted to the red one, but I'm like, I have enough reds. I don't need enough reds. This one actually comes with red. Now, the reason why I got this, I'm not going to use this on my lips today, or I'm not going to swatch these. It's been out for a while. You've seen our little swatches, and all these are available in their full-size forms as far as I know. So we got Diva, which is named for a dog. It's this pink one, and we got Red Rum. Perfect. We got Flamethrower, which is this great pumpkin orange. We got Queen Bee, which is yellow. We got Equality, which is the green, deep green. You got Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is Tiffany blue. You got Blue Velvet, which is very pretty navy. And you got Royalty, which is a beautiful violet purple. I bought these with the intent for either collabs in the future or Halloween, because if you don't know, I'm allergic to carmine, which is found in a lot of stuff. It's also in lipsticks a lot of times, and I can usually tolerate most lipsticks that have it in it for, might pop up like a little tiny pimple or something. It's just easy. Depends how quickly I remove it, how long it's on, and if I ate and got around my mouth. Whether I break out around my mouth. I don't break out on my lips from it, but on my skin I can. So normally it doesn't bother me, but at the same time, carmine affects a lot. Like, there are so many liners I can't use because of carmine. It would surprise you that it's in a lot of blacks, like Cliniques, Lancomes, all of Maybelline's newer stuff from the past couple of years on. Eyeliners, mascaras, all have carmine in them. I have to be extremely careful. Even some brands that you wouldn't think, Urban Decay, all Urban Decay's liners now have the warning can contain carmine. In black. So I have to be very careful and very selective. And all of NYX's bright lights, have carmine. So I just have to be really careful. And it's hard to find bright colors that don't have carmine and don't bother my eyes. And it's just supposed to be eye safe. So that's what I intend, to be able to draw my eyes this Halloween, or around my eyes better. Because cream makeup just really seeps in, like, you can see the lines. It's hard, and I have to be careful with certain paints around my eyes for that reason. But creams like to set in really badly and emphasize, and it's hard to draw circles, perfect lines and stuff without a product. So that's what these are going to come in handy for, I'm sure, for collabs and Halloween. So just set these aside. These are, that's why. So I figured I would go ahead and just mess with this palette. I hope I can create something cool. Move. Now this has been in my eyes for a while. It's starting to fade because I was rubbing at my eyes earlier. But this is the Makeup Revolution Raspberry Donut one. Yeah. And take my Sigma E35 tapered blending. Actually, I'm gonna hit mint tea. Sorry, I'm just gonna flip it up. No, I'm gonna put that on top. These are hard to do. I've messed with enough blues. They're not easy, especially the lighter ones. I don't know why. That was gonna hit Blue Blood. I'm gonna go ahead and hit Blue Blood. Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Concealer. Into ice tray first, and then I'm gonna go into Blue Monday. Use this little SL Glam brush right now, and I'm gonna go into Entitled. Go into Cullinan. I'm going Flourishing, which is a dark teal. Go into Deceased. Just that pretty. I'm going to go into Ocean Ice. I don't know how it's going to apply. It's really glittery. tutorial. Fun. I'm still practicing outlining a lot, and halo cut crease kind of going on. That would be a fun lip. And how else are you going to do Jeffree Star's Blue Blood palette? Overall, it's a good looking palette. It's hard to do blues, and that lightest blue is probably the hardest to get pigment off of. But if I had done like white base all the way up, it would have shown more. It's just blues in my skin. The lighter ones are harder to look at. However, I think they're gorgeous. I used most of the shades in the palette. So okay, never mind. I used about half the palette because I didn't touch Crystal Flesh, Cold, Untouchable, Priceless, Undertaker, Cremated, Celebrity Skin, or Wealthy, or Power. Yeah. I did use the rest. I tried using the rest and showing you how they look on the eye. Because I just look better. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.